Have you ever tried Nellore Biryani? This is a place in Andhra Pradesh, but they have a unique flavor for the biryanis. For that flavor, there is a unique spice mix. Today, I am showing you how to make that secret recipe of the spice mix for Nellore Biryani. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Onto a blender. Add 3 pieces of mace, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of star anise, the whole one, 2 pieces of black cardamom, 10 pieces of cardamom, 10 pieces of cloves, methi leaves 3 tablespoons, nutmeg 1 tablespoon. Blend it very chunky and kosher. It will get a beautiful flavor. This recipe is for 4 cups of rice. Visit my channel how to make a Nellore Biryani from Andhra Pradesh. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.